Hello and welcome to BCR. Let's get your trading day started with the following financial news and market headlines.
Last week, the US dollar index saw minimal fluctuations, closing slightly lower. After reports were released by the ISM and the University of Michigan, the dollar gave back some of its gains from earlier in the week. With all economic data points for last week now settled, all eyes are on this week's US NFP report and the European Central Bank's monetary policy decision. The contradiction between the global PMI and ISM report last Friday led traders to heed recent comments from Federal Reserve officials, advising not to overemphasize recent inflation data. This suggests the Fed is confident that the path to disinflation remains intact, and rate hikes are not part of the Fed's current playbook. Before the end of last week, gold prices briefly surged to a 3-month high of $2,088.50, approaching the pivotal $2,100 mark. The market is bracing for this week, laden with significant macroeconomic risks. Gold made its highest level since late December and securing a second consecutive week of gains. The gold market is experiencing its best weekly performance since November last year. The late week surge underscores gold's ability to break through its 50-day moving average, an achievement it failed to accomplish a month ago. However, not all investors are convinced of gold's upward trajectory, even as it displayed a pronounced upward momentum at the end of last week. Heading into the weekend, traders awaited a decision from OPEC Plus on the supply agreement for the second quarter, while also weighing the latest economic data from the United States, Europe, and other countries. With nearly a 2% increase and a weekly gain, bullish signals emerged for oil traders as U.S. macroeconomic data showed recovery, and OPEC seemed likely to extend its production cuts. The market's primary focus was on the expectation that OPEC Plus would continue to cut production in the second quarter of 2024. Sources indicated that the decision to extend OPEC Plus cuts would be made in the first week of March, with individual countries expected to announce their decisions.
We hope you enjoyed today's market outlook. If you have any questions or topics you'd like us to cover, feel free to leave a comment. Remember to join us tomorrow morning